Hello, and welcome to Priority Problem Solvers. My name is Mitch, and today I'm talking about how to become a great leader, to go from good to great. As a busy husband and father of 3, this can be very difficult. And if you're like me, you need help to remind yourself how to become a great leader and to provide for yourself, your family, and your job. To help us become a great leader, the best way to do that is to map it out. So I've created a mind map on what a great leader looks like. What are the qualities? Let's take a look. This leadership mind map captures the qualities of a leader. First, we have supportive, inspirational, honest, highly committed, passionate, reflective, decisive, creative, and problem solver. If I missed any qualities, how about leave me a comment below so I can go back and read and respond, and we can collaborate on how to become a great leader. To explore a little bit further in becoming a great leader, let's take this a little bit further and make an even better mind map on how to become a great leader. Leadership is the art of leading what we lead. Leadership is not only about leading an organization, but it also about how to lead ourselves, which the members are our own bodies. This mind map was created to make it easier to understand leadership holistically. If we look at the first category, it is self-leadership. In self-leadership, we need discipline, awareness, and continuity. The second is family leadership. We need to be gentle, we need tolerance, and we need to be assertive. The third is group leadership. We need to be humble, we need tolerance, and we need to be disciplined. In corporate leadership, the last one, we need to be disciplined, we need integrity, and we need to be assertive. Is this how you will become a great leader? Leave a comment below so we can discuss and you can share your ways of how this leadership mind map has helped you. Thank you for joining me today and helping me become a great leader. Hey, please remember to keep your joy. You got to put Jesus first, others second, and yourself third. Please comment, subscribe, like my video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.